So first, let's get the right gear. This is a cheap Vivitar mic. I think I paid 40 bucks for it. This is about a $20 arm. All in all, this is $60 for the mic. Laptop is just a standard business grade PC. And we will be using Adobe Audition software. This is the gear we're going to use to get professional grade audio. As you can see with the gear that I got here, we're inside a car. The reason why is most cars have sound dampening qualities built into them. I put this towel up here to catch the sound waves that would be bouncing off of the windshield. We need to ensure that our audio levels are between 6 and 18. Do not press stop or pause. Don't worry about that laptop, that computer. Don't push no buttons. Perform your part. And that, folks, is how you can turn out professional grade audio from the passenger seat of a car. Because you don't want to do it from the driver's seat because there's a steering wheel